Do you think Nan and Papa would be upset if I brought fireworks over like this? Oh, look at the jellyfish. It's a jellyfish one.
In his backyard.
Ooh.
Larry McCall.
Ah.
China is way better.
How do you know? Oh, an upside down jellyfish.
Way better than ours.
Man, Elena and Riley are missing out.
My friend said you can never do fireworks in the water because they said
Your friends told you what?
that you should never put fireworks like in the water because
That's right. You don't
It's actually
put
the
fireworks
safe.
anyway.
It's safer to do it over water than it is over land.
She's not a danger.
Excuse me? Excuse me? No, we can't get up and leave. We can't.
I'll call you when I'm
No, I'll drag us through.
Thanks for your call.
Oh, dancing bees. How do I know what they're called? I used to do this for a job. Isn't that cool?
You're lucky.
Yeah. It's very dangerous.
Marja, I want to go back to your mom.
What's that, bud? It's always worth it. Fireworks makes everything fun. Oh my gosh.
Look at the water.
So cool. I like the one that goes like big crackles.
Kristan's still pretty.
I know, she's cries. I know.
Who's afraid?
She's 12. My cousin.
She's afraid of the fireworks.
She's 12.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Disney.
Who?
Disney a couple years ago.
Yeah.
Because Christina was crying.
What do you think comes out first, the color or the
Oh,
sound?
this is his backyard right
I wish. Excuse me? Thanks, Maya. Somebody has faith in me.
Actually, I'm in the
like
back.
Oscar.
What? That's it. I'm going home without yous. Well, you guys hurt my one feeling left. It's not even 10 minutes in. You know what those are called? But we're gonna have traffic regardless. It's gonna be traffic regardless. But I will put her on my shoulders. It'll be okay. Look at waterfalls. I don't know. You almost did? Ooh, I love the flitter ones. Did you know that? I used to know how to make these. It's super dangerous, but if you know what you're doing and you be super careful and you're trained, you can make them. Oh, I love those ones. Someone's cologne smells. Smell that cologne? It smells like Mary Jane. The cologne.
Can we, this is like, can we go?
This isn't even anywhere near it, Laura. We'll get up and go in a minute, I promise.
I'm asking.
And I just said yes, we can go. Go ahead, get up. Oh, you're doing it.
My watching
Oh, look at that one. Give me one more minute. Bum bum ba.
Count to 60.